Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts, not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video there. So if you go to that link, I will explain in detail. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, more updates need to be done. The bloodshed continued today. So first thing I'm just going to do is get rid of that line. Yeah, it still pertains. It's just not relevant right now because it's the price isn't anywhere close to it. So I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update though that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, right there at 37 cents was that level of support, but with the opening 30 minutes breaking down below it there, you can see that was essentially what opened up the floodgates and down it went. So now in any sort of bounce, 37 cents going to be one of the newest areas of resistance. A more near-term level of resistance, though, is going to be right there at the 33 cent mark. So yes, 37 cents is certainly a level of resistance, but my point is before you go and start talking about doing battle with 37 and all of that, the price needs to first prove itself in the near term, and quote unquote prove itself being defined is not only getting above 33 cents, but then staying up above it. What about levels of support moving forward? Well, nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of, where the price finally stopped going down today, and that was right there at 29 cents. So 29 cents, like I said, nothing fancy behind that at all other than where the price finally stopped going down. And not only stopped going down, but to give some credit, a little miniature bounce. I mean, that candlestick there does have a nice little lower shadow, which formed what we would call in candlestick charting a hammer candle, which signals a potential, bottoming may occur. Now, if only it were, I wish I could say trading was easy as, hey, if you see a hammer candle, that means for sure the price is going to bounce. Not quite that easy. Would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking, but again, that's not a guarantee either. So we'll see what happens with it. The good news is it's only Monday, so still 4 days left this week. So we'll see if the price can try to turn things around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.